Hey there guys, my name is Marcus from Online Nurturing, and in this video I'm going to teach you step by step how you can use the Microsoft Authenticator. And now if you need any help or you can have any questions regards Microsoft Authenticator, let me down below in the comments, because sometimes this app can be a little bit tricky and difficult. So the first thing that we're going to do together, we're going to install the app. So I'm going to click here, install on my Android phone, Samsung, and we just have to wait until it's going to download. And now when it's been installed, I'm going to click here, open. So here I'm going to, you can allow Authenticator to send you notifications. I'm going to click don't allow. Now I'm going to Microsoft respects your privacy. Okay, accept. And then continue. And now what I have to do is to sign in with my email. So sign in with Microsoft right here, or you can scan a QR code or add a work or school account. And now I'm going to show you how you can set up the two-factor for your Microsoft account and also for your phone. So here you're going to press Microsoft account and you want to log in to your Microsoft. So I'll just write here. Okay, and look at this, sign in, send notification. And here we're going to have it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm just going to approve the login. And here we are, stay signed in. And we're going to be right here. Now, when we're going to be here, what we're going to do is you want to go on the top and click security. And right here, you want to click advanced security options. And when you're going to be here, you want to click on the top right, two-step verification. Click manage. And right here, set up two-step verification. Next. And then this is going to be a new code. Okay. Finish. And now the two-factor is right now on. And now I'm going to show you how you can get the 6 digits for your account comparing to the 8 digits, because many of you, even in comments under different videos, were asking that you want to have a 6 digits. So I found this wonderful tips. So go to your MS account. Okay, we're going to be right here. Then scroll down until you find security, expand the section, and find and click the link additional security options. So let's go here down. And then we're going to have security. And then we're going to have additional security options. Click on it. Okay. And now a little way down on a page, click the link, add a new way to sign up or verify. Here, click on it. And then select use an app. Use an app. Okay. Click the link, the body text, set up a different Authenticator app. Click here. And then you're going to be presented in a QR code. Okay. In your App Store, open the app. Pair the app with your Microsoft account by scanning this barcode. Open the MS Authenticator app. Now we have it. And what you have to do is that I can't really show you what you have to do now, but you have to press plus here. I'm going to show you here. It should be good. Okay, so you're going to press plus here on your phone. Now you want to click the plus button and click other account. So now you're going to have your QR code, and what you want to do is to go to your PC or laptop, whatever you have, and scan the QR code with the phone. I'm going to do it right now. Okay, look at this. I right now have it. So now I just scanned it. And now you see that we have the app right here. And you can do this for hosting or whatever. Always click plus here and other account. Now when you're going to have it, another account for Microsoft. But look what will happen. When I'm going to click on it, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to have a 6-digit code right here. So here I'm going to have a code generated by app. And I'm going to write it. Okay. And we have it. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope I provided you good guidance on what you can do and how you can set it up. And right now you will have always the 6-digit password, so you don't have to use this one right here. So this is how you're going to add a 6-digit code for your Microsoft account. Now, of course, you can add whatever account you want. So you're going to click plus here, other account, and you're always going to scan the QR code, and that's how you're going to get another account for verification for your Microsoft app. Now, you can also add passwords. So when you're going to come here, you can click plus and add a password, and you can add like passwords here with the website, with the username, and with the password right here. You can of course also generate password, so you can then copy it and use it for password for some kind of app that you have. So that's something you can do. And now when we're going to go even further, you're going to have the payments. So if you want to do, and what you can do is you can payments info will appear here plus, and then if you want to, you can even have your own payment and have the card number, name of the card, and all of that right here. And then you're gonna have addresses. So this is the address with the mail and all the points and data. And then you're gonna have a scan a QR code, verified ID for more control of your identity. So that's about this app and how you can use it. If this video was helpful, guys, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy if this video helped you primarily do the 6-digit code. So if you're gonna need any questions, any help with this app, and you're not going to understand something, let me down below in the comments that what you need to help with, and I'm going to help you, guide you. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.